matagal ko na siyang sinulat. Sinulat ko siya noong mga 2021. As bagets pa talaga ako nun. I think I was freshly 18 years old when I finished it. And sinulat ko siya kind of about my insecurities and yung konsepto na tayo naman as humans, ang gusto lang naman talaga natin maranasan ay magmahal at mahalin din, tratuhin ng tama. And para kay 18-year-old me noon, yun talaga yung gusto kong maranasan nung time na yun. At ganun pa rin naman hanggang ngayon. So feeling ko, the fact na hanggang ngayon nakaka-relate pa din ako talaga sa kantang yun. I feel like it says a lot. Wait, there's a bug. Okay, I killed it. Hello, Kenneth. See you when I get back. So yun. So yun nga, yung kanta na i-release ko, para to sa mga gustong maranasan din yun. Gustong maranasan ng mahalin ng tama. Yes. Because we all just want to be loved. Yun lang naman yun, diba? Tsaka, sinulat ko din siya tungkol sa mga, parang siguro yung insecurities ko in having like a strong personality. I mean, medyo gas-gas na sabihin ko na it's personal kasi lahat naman ng kanta ko na personal. Pero siguro ito mas tungkol siya sa feelings ko sa sarili ko. It's not really about anyone in particular. Parang wala akong parang pinagsulatang tao dito sa kantang to. It's really more about me and my heart and how I feel. Excited. Sino bang excited dito? See you, balik na kayo dito. We'll be back soon. Okay. So yun, sino dito yung mga team abangers? Tsaka, wala lang. Dito lang ako para makipagchikahan. And hintayin kong mag-12 bago ako mag-end live. Pero bago doon, wala lang. Tanong lang kayo ng kung ano man yung gusto nyong tanungin. Lalo na kung tungkol sa kanta. Mas maganda. But if not, just ask me anything. Anong ulam ko? Ang ulam ko kanina ay ampalaya. Tsaka, sinigang na baboy. It's a combination. You also have a release. Yes, sir, I do. Congrats. Thank you so much, Nico. Congrats din sa'yo sa release. Sa release nyo. For the sabay pala tayo. Ano yung i-release nyo ngayong gabi? I'm curious. Ampalayain kita. Gaano po siya katagal natapos isulat? Yung Love for Once, siya, medyo matagal din. Kasi nakuha ko ata yung idea ng siguro mga June yun. I think, June of 2021, like around that time. And then, nasa Amerika ako nung natapos ko siya. So, medyo matagal din. Tapos, di ba, kasi sinulat ko siya noong 2021. Nitong 2024, in-update ko yung lyrics. So, kung i-include mo yun, medyo matagal na panahon din. It's been like, 3 years? What's the title? It's called Loved for Once. Paano mag-move on sa ka-situationship? Paano mag-move on? Bigyan mo lang ng oras yung sarili mo para mag-heal. Yan ang masasabi ko. Diba, ika nga sinasabi nila, healing is not linear. So, just give yourself that time. Tsaka, ako, sa akin, I would say, just matuto kang siguro ma-in love ulit sa buhay. Like, fall in love with life all over again. Yung mga things na that make you yourself as an individual bago pa dumating yung tao na yun. Kasi I'm sure meron yun. And then babalikan mo yung mga bagay na yun at aalalahanin mo na there was a life before that person. Yun. Shada, hi. Honey Pie Sugar Plum. Hello, Katniss Gutierrez. Any idea on how to start writing songs? The first thing that you do is you identify what it is you want to say. And it's helpful if you can learn how to play an instrument, I would say. That helped me out a lot. But if not, you can always start by writing to like type beats. Hanap ka ng mga beats sa YouTube. Just try mong gawin yun. Identify mo yung gusto mong sabihin. Tapos, general structure. YouTube is a good place. Sana mag-collab kayo ni Pablo. I would love to work with Pablo. I've been very vocal about that. I've tried your songs sa karaoke. Hindi kaya ng vocal cords me. Sorry na. Don't worry. Okay lang yan. Kahit ako minsan, feeling ko, pinapahirapan ko lang talaga yung sarili ko sa mga kanta ko. Minsan napapatanong ako, bakit ko ba sinulat ng ganito kahirap? Parang, pag kinakanta ko yung mga kanta ko, parang iniisip ko, parang ayoko ata pakatasain ko. A ka muna, A. Wala, nahahawa na talaga ako kaka-A. Diyos ko, may kausap nga ako nung isang gabi. I was at, nasa event ako. I was talking to someone. And then, wala, A lang kami ng A. Sa'yo mo po, siguro maging tropa. Oh, really? Thank you. Alam nyo guys, pag sinasabihan ako ng ganyan, kunwari, or parang, sa'yo mo siguro maging kaibigan, or masaya ka kasama, parang, tinitake ko yun as a big compliment. So, wala. Kilig is me. Kilig is me. Hello, Jada. Saw you at the New Hue last Friday. Had a little chat. Hello. Nice to see you. Hear from you. Favorite musical instrument? I would say piano for sure. Scroll ako sa mga ano. Ito, sige. Sagot ako ng tanong. Anong proseso mo sa paggawa ng tunog ng mga ginagawa mong kanta? Pagdating sa melody, siguro kasi may basic understanding ako ng music. Parang kusa na lang siya pumapasok. Ganun. So, ako kasi nagsisimula talaga ako sa concept. Lagi kong sinasabi yun. Parang tinatanong ko muna yung sarili ko what it is I want to say when it comes to a song. And I really just start with that. And then it usually comes together. Naghahanap ako ng chords. Kasi mas bet kong magsulat ng kanta from scratch. Kesa sa parang meron ng pre-existing beat. Kasi, ewan ko, parang personally, mas nalilimitahan ako kapag meron ng nakaset na production. Mas gusto ko yung parang binibuild ko yung tunog or yung mga tunog base dun sa kwento ng kanta. So, yun. Tapos, wala, nagvo-voice memo ako, nagja-jam ako hanggang sa makuha ko siya. Nagsusulat ako sa notes ko. Yung nakita lang ako. Are you into anime? You know what? I would watch like a couple of things like growing up kasi I had I knew a couple of people who were into it. Tsaka, siguro mga last year, like, I would have like 3 people recommending me like animes to watch. Yeah. So one was Demon Slayer and the other one was Attack on Titan. Pero ano ba yung napapanood ko dati? I mean, I guess does Dragon Ball Z count as anime? Does it count? Kasi yun, parang kung counted yun, yan yung pinapanood ko growing up. Isa yan sa mga shows na pinapanood ko. But I would like to kind of see what all the fuss is about. Do you watch One Piece? I have not, but I heard, yun ba, di ba yung anime na sobrang pagkahaba-haba? Tama ba? Okay. Meron na po bang kanta na parang sinabi mo na sana ako nagsulat nito? Meron! I'm sure. Wait lang. Hanap ako sa ano ko, Spotify ko. Meron yan. Um, sabihin ko sana All Too Well, 10-minute version, pero parang gusto ko yun na kay Taylor Swift yun. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan din. Kasi kwento niya yan eh. Ano ba? Tumitingin ako napatingin talaga ako sa Spotify bigla. It's probably something Taylor Swift though. Kasi sobrang hinahangaan ko siya. You know, when people ask me, like, what's your favorite song? I really, that question. Kasi parang nabablanko ako pag tinatanong ako. Ano nga ba? Hindi ko na alam. Song na I wish I wrote. Ano ba? Babalikan kita pag naisip ko. Parang a song that I wish was like mine. Yeah, wala akong maisip. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap nung kanta. Ang hirap nung kanta, ang hirap nung tanong. Wait lang. Okay, sige. Balikan ko yung tanong na yan. Sana ako nagsulat nito. Tumitingin ako. Wow! Gosh, I'm still hung up on that question. Oh, man. Siguro ito na lang. The One That Got Away by Katy Perry. I love that song so much. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice question. Ano po masasabi niyo sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo, especially dumadami na sila bukod sa mga J-Donation? Ako, natutuwa ako, lalo na nung when I was part of Viber Backstage, meron mga nabuo doon, yung mga sad besties, and wala, naaliw lang talaga ako that the family is growing, and I hope it continues to grow. Sana din kayo, yung mga J-Donation, yung mga sad besties, pag meron kayong mga nakikitang kung sino man na nag-express na fan din sila, sana isali nyo din sa community nyo. Kasi ang saya lang ng feeling as an artist na nakakabuo ka ng community at nagsasama-sama lahat ng tao sa shared interest. So, wala, natutuwa lang ako kasi I know what it's like to be a fan. So, yun. Pero sa mga bagong supporters, hi guys, welcome to the journey. Kung super fan kayo ng dati pa lang or kung ngayon pa lang niyo akong nakilala, I appreciate you regardless at sana magstay kayo. Any song na related sa ugali ko? Loved for Once, itong i-release ko. Well, ugali ko, my personality. Yeah, I would say that. Are you still planning to do acting? I would like to still do acting. Ako, it's a matter of the right project. What time do I usually go to sleep? 2. Ay. Uy, si Paul. Hi. Hi, Paul. Kamusta ka? May album ka bang i-release, Mare? Yan ang masasabi ko dyan. Eh. Please come to Indonesia. I would love to come back. I've been to Indonesia before. Dati nakapunta na ako. Why am I speaking Tagalog? That person saying for me to come to Indonesia is probably not Filipino. But yeah, I hope to come back to Indonesia. I was there in 2019 in Jakarta, and I had a pretty fun time, and I would like to go back again. And you know, the people in Indonesia are like super warm. New supporter here. Hello, Angel00_003. New supporter. Mga Jada Nation, accept yun na siya sa GC. Wow. Sali na kayo sa Jada Nation. I think tama behavior. Oh, what happened? Hala? Naiba yung ano? Ano to? Ayan. Okay. Naiba bigla yung ano, yung filter. Sa Teen Clash po kita na-discover. Hey, nice. Any tips on how to play keyboard? I want to learn really. Music team at church. This is just me. I would say that I learned more when I would pick songs that I liked. Mga pop songs, so per se for me, with pop songs, I would pick out pop songs and then I would like try them. I would look for the chords, and then once you have a basic understanding of chords, it's much easier to learn. And then I would just kind of like learn by ear eventually. Watching from the Philippines. Sira talaga si Paul. How po mag-join sa GC? Mga Jada Nation, message na kayo dyan sa mga gusto mag-join sa GC. Join the family. Erwin Tambalo, pasali sa GC. Yeah, you guys should just DM. I think it's team_Jada OFC, if I'm not mistaken. DM nyo lang yun, and they'll welcome you guys into the family. Diba tayo mga Jada Nation, ano, mga welcoming tayo. It's my birthday on Monday. Can you greet me? Happy birthday, Valentin Ramon. Maybe that's Ramon. I don't know. All right. I'm like looking for questions. See you at the event tomorrow. Oh, see you. Waiting me sa full English version now, right? Love around time. Gusto nyo ba yun? I mean, I feel like I would like to release the English version at some point. Uy, 5 minutes ago, malapit na yung kanta. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. After 3 years, ma-release ko na din yung Love for Once. Pero yun guys, sana i-share nyo sa mga taong gusto nang maranasan mahalin ng tama at tratuhin ng tama. Sa mga naghahanap ng pagmamahal, para to sa inyo. This is our song. Bakit may mga bumabati sa akin ng happy birthday? Tapos na po yung birthday ko. Pero thank you. Oh, we have 4 minutes to the release. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. May nag-text sa akin. Try ko nga i-invite dito. Try ko lang. Sobrang ganda at talented mo, Jada. Oh, thank you. 3 minutes to go. Ka muna. Asa uto-uto naman ako. Let's go. Miss you watching from Italy. Sira ulo ka talaga, neighbor. Guys, batiin nyo naman yung neighbor ko, si Daniel Paringit. Yes. Kahit wala makeup na naman. Thank you. Thanks. You're glowing. Thank you so much. What do you use on your face? I just use moisturizer. I use Physiogel AI. Yes. I use Physiogel AI because I have really sensitive skin. Pang baby kasi yung balat ko. Baby niya. Kamusta dyan sa Pinas, neighbor? Okay naman kami dito sa Venice, Italy. Sige, katol pa more. Sana makaguest ka ulit sa EB. I would love to come back. Wait, I'm back. Okay. Nag-pause. I tapped the notification on my phone. May nagte-text na. My team is texting me to shout out someone. Sino, guys? We have 1 minute to go. Oh my. 1 minute to go. Oh no. Outfit reveal. I did not put any effort whatsoever. Yes, I greeted her. One minute. Would I dye my hair back to black? I don't know. You never know. Shout out from Italy. And it's 12 midnight. Yay. And it's official. The song is out. Woo. Wow. Okay. So that's it. We heard the vibration of your phone. Sino yan ka-chat niya? Secret. Sorry. So yeah, guys. The song's out. Also, my team messaged me. Well, I did shout her out. Precious Paula May. Shout out to her. She was here on live earlier. I read her comment, but hello, thank you for watching my live. Ultra share na tayo. Thank you, neighbor. Ayun, guys. Ayun. Jane natin. Italy chapter. Sabi mo yan, ah. Happy birthday! Ang dami nagtitrip na birthday ko. Pero yun, guys, sana, end mo na. Pinapa-end na yung live. Basta, pakinggan nyo na yung kanta ko. It comes out. It's already out. Yeah, on Spotify. I hope you like it. It's called Love for Once. Share with a friend. Yun lang. Wala. Share ko lang. And it was nice talking to you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Post your reactions on the song. Share it. I would love to see it. Wag daw muna. What's wag daw muna? Wait, guys. Wait lang. Don't end. Okay. Hello. I'm like pausing the live. Don't end yung sinasabi na. Okay. I got word. Don't end the live yet. Ang dami nag-good night na. Wait lang. Di pa ako nakaka-recover sa Right Lover Wrong Time, I Love for Once na. Nawala. Oh my God. Sleep na po ikaw. Ang dami pinapatulog niyo na ako, guys. Lipad na ako. Tuloy. Ay. Dead. Hoy naman po ang sakit ng Right Lover Wrong Time. Kasi, wala. Forte ko yung sad songs. Ito din sad song to. Love for Once. Stream nyo lang, guys. Extend 1 hour more. Grabe naman kayo. May event pa ako bukas. Is it out on YouTube as well? Diba gusto niyo yan, release ko, pero hindi ko alam kung nasa YouTube na ba siya. Oh, it is out. Okay. Are people are still here. Okay. Nice. Nag-notice na manonood ako. Take care, ate. Love lots. Hey, thank you. You too. Ganda nung kanta. Oh, wait. Napakinggan yun. Oh nga pala. It's 3 minutes. You guys can come back. Sige. Well, I mean, nandito na ako. May mga bumabalik dito. Let me know what you guys think. What do we think? What do we think? Napapakinggan na. Yes, pakinggan nyo na, tapos balikan nyo ako dito. Let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo. Siguro I can be here for a few more minutes. May nag-comment. Ano mo si Jessa? Kapit-bahay ko siya. Yes, kapit-bahay ko si Jessa. May nagsasabi nga na kamukha ko siya eh. Hi po. Hello. Ina girl. Di tayo natuloy kahapon. Happy birthday. Mom si Jessa. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda naman ng nanay mo. Ganda ng kanta first time ko marinig. Talaga. Ay. Mukhang ma-LSS ako agad sa song mo. Good yan. Pandagdag stream na lang yan. Yes. Good luck. Exam ko mamaya. Good luck. Grabe yung feels, kakaiba fresh sa tenga. Hey, thank you so much. Kalungkot pala tong Love for Once, ate. Yeah. Kasi lahat ng kanta ko malulungkot. Feeling ko never na ako masaya sa mga kanta ko eh. Pag naging masaya ako bigla sa kanta, magulat na lang kayo. Kasama ko yung fam ko, makinig, pinaulit-ulit ko, gahala sila. Eh, tamang behavior. Tularan dapat si Alisa.Jean_. Uy, batch. Daniel pa rin. Stream ko po, ate. Sleep na me. Good night na po. Ang pretty niyo. Thank you. Yes, stream well tomorrow. Stream well. Review ako habang pinapakinggan kanta mo. Dapat pala di na lang ako nakinig. Bakit? Bakit naman? How did you come up with this song? I came up with this song. Well, I answered this earlier, but nasulat ko siya as an 18-year-old with some insecurities and just wanting to be loved as a young girl. Ooh. If you're happy in your own song, it means you're in love. Yeah. Well, at least, well, you guys know from the song, hindi ako nasa in love. Hindi ako sa lover girl era. Pa-check nga yung booklet. Ang sakit nun, ang daming nantitrip dito sa comment section. Sige. Nasang era ka at the moment? Sad girl. No, but wala. Beautiful Jada, thank you. Pag hindi mo shinare, hindi na kita neighbor. Sino bang nantitrip na yan? Hindi ko nga alam kung hindi ko kilala yung mga to. Sino ba sila? Ay, Lord. Done listening to it. Sana po ma-meet ka namin soon, Ate Jada. Sana din po. Sana. It would be very, very nice to meet you. Okay, I have like, what, 1 more minute. Every time na kumakanta ka, ang sarap mo yakapin. Dapat kahit hindi ako kumakanta, dapat yakapin niyo ako. O, ayun guys. Done listening. Ang sakit. Thank you guys for listening. Ayun, I think is it safe to end live? Congrats, Jada girl. See you sa boxing ring. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you sa support. Thank you. Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. Sana pakalat niyo yung kanta na yan. And